Hakabayade bat kajingnai Khynnah kipulit ya karimpu bagan kapapenya do MDC ka GHEDC ubernat Marak kaba kipulit kilakeno bakade kaktem le auria mendaga sngi UDGP ulapentep bahadin kajing tokit kapapenya layo kem nyoflai ngut ki Khynnah samla bana pedang gini arfun rengut kidi kikenthai bat sangut kidi Khynnah ulo angru ba kajingnai Khynnah lalap bakini Khynnah sangut kidi gi brasha set hakawei ka Kamra balakhang ba dak Tala ulay thoru balayo kurup hadu live new tili ki kali south new tili ki mobile sunspat tili ki songkondo bat live new hajar kapisa bat kiwei ulo angru bahadu menta ki pulit kimpat la ban bot Dien ya kajaka don ubernat Marak bat ulo angru bah kabanikong ki pulit kilayar syakayeng sa jong hatura henry umlap setia bat kilawan be syakayeng sa jong hasilong henry wat hanong ba silong ru umdon UDGP ulo ang bakat kum gajing tokit ba lingba ban teres ya ka mobile phone jong kapen i bo udon hagati henry hadin katukat ni por ka mobile phone jong ru kala switch off no habakli ulo ang bakipulit ke Jylla Meghalaya kat bala banyo bot Dien ya kacaka don jong ubernat Marak ulo ang ru bakipulit kilaban keno bakani kayeng gede kaktem auria nang madalap ru south partly kibilot kiat kibaklem license.
So yesterday raid started at about 6 p.m. It continued for 7-8 hours and they have recovered some incriminating documents, register, etc. The Tura police has picked up 73 youth. Out of that 26 are female and rest male. They have also rescued 5 number of children. The children were locked in a room and from outside the lock was broken and after that one after another 5 children were rescued and out of 5 one was female. And in subsequent search they have seized nearly 37 vehicles and 47 mobile phones, 30,000 rupees cash and 500 packets of condom and contraceptive tablets and few other incriminating documents. The search, when I last spoken with SP Tura, the search was still going on. The case has been registered already at Tura Women Police Station under section 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 of the Immoral Trafficking Act 1956. The owner of that resort, Mr. Bernard R. Marak, he is not found available at his residence or in Shillong. We got the information that he was in Shillong. When the police went there, he was not found there. So now the last location was in somewhere near Guwahati, and after that the mobile phone is switched off. So the investigation is continuing now. The recovery itself indicates that something fishy was there. He has no license to run that, and then why the liquors was also recovered. More than 400 bottle liquors were recovered. He has no license for that, and 500 condoms packets were recovered. This indicates that it was run as a brothel and the police will take action as well. Warrant is not required because this was in continuation with the POCSO Act, where one the girl has lodged complaint to Tura PS that she was taken to that place, that Rimpo's farmhouse or whatever they locally call it. It is Edenbari area in the outskirts of Tura, and there she was sexually assaulted. And after that, POCSO Act case was registered at Tura Women Police Station. And during investigation and follow-up action of that case, it was later revealed that this place was used as a brothel. So that is why many 73 youth were detained there, and many of them were in compromising position.